Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yay! So for today's video, it's a sit down video where I show you my makeup look for college, everyday makeup look, because why not? And yeah, I'm gonna talk about makeup products, friends at school, school in general, and you guys, I'm waiting for you. How was school? How was your first day? How was your class? Did you make some friends? How was your teachers? Tell me everything. So yeah, let's start with my makeup, everyday makeup look for college now. Okay, first thing first, I already did my skincare, guys. So now I'm gonna start with this fixateur. It's gonna prepare my skin and also fix my makeup like after finishing all my makeup. I love this. Okay. I use a lot. Okay, it's dry, and now I'm gonna start with my Huda Beauty concealer. This is the best concealer ever. Like literally, it is expensive, but it's worth it. The best of the best. I'm gonna put a little bit here and corner of my eyes. We're gonna blend this concealer with the beauty blender. I don't do that much actually for college, like everyday makeup look, because it just takes a lot of time and I'm not a morning person. I don't have enough time to like do a whole glam, so I just try to do this quick makeup look, pretty, just to, you know, you look presentable and put together. So then I go with my concealer, with my blush from Grwm. This is the best blush ever, and it's not expensive at all, and it's so pretty. I put it on the cheek, and then I just use my brush and dab it like this on my cheeks. Try to not, you know, doing this, I don't know how to say it. Just dab it. When I was in high school, honestly, I didn't have that much of friends. Like I had my best friend in school, but not in my class. And now I'm thinking about it, like it was literally the best decision that I made, because when I was like younger, I was trying to be friends with everyone. I was trying to, like, you know, everyone likes me, my friends, my teachers. I was literally putting so much effort for like, what the hell? Okay, I'm back. My camera just died. So I was saying, I was putting so much effort to just, like, you know, be friends with those popular girls in school and, you know, being a part of them. But then I realized that it's not the reason why I came to school. It's not to make friends. Like, okay, it's cool to have friends, to eat with them, to, you know, go out, study with them, but then you don't have to like have a bunch of friends, and you don't have to feel sad about it. Like literally, if I can like tell you something that can makes you better, you are not the only one. Trust me. Like I was literally giving a lot just to try to impress others and be liked by others, and just, you know, was giving a lot of energy. Like when I go back to my home, I'm just exhausted. Literally, I was just exhausted from being fake. Like literally it was this, and then I stopped this. It was the best decision ever. I decided to no friends anymore. It's not that no friends, but just I'm not gonna put myself out there for people that they are not that special. Like I swear, they are really not that special. Like one friend is enough. I swear it's enough. I'm sorry guys if I don't explain myself well enough, because English is another story, but all what I wanted to say, just to makes you feel better. Don't feel sad if you don't have friends. Don't feel pressure. Don't skip school just because you don't have friends. Literally, it's fine. Also, all what I can tell you is be a study girl. Study well for your exams. Have good notes. Everyone will be interested in you when you are successful, I swear. be pretty, be clean, smell good, be this cute girl, be confident, and if you are not, fake it until you make it. That's it. And those quality will attract people on you automatically. I swear. That's it. That's literally the best advice I can give you, and that's what I did, and that's what worked for me, and I think that's what will work for everyone. Do I talk too much? I think I talk too much. Oh my god. Like, I'm a girl. I love talking. I love having conversation with people. But here in YouTube, unfortunately, I can't talk enough because, ugh, English, bro, English. And coming from someone who wants to study languages, that sucks. Anyways, I'm doing my eyebrows now with this pencil NYX. This is the best pencil ever. I love it, and it fixes my eyebrows very well. Can you see? As you can see, very demure, very cutie, very mindful. I don't do that much for my eyes. I just put bronzer on the paupières, just like this, very basic, very simple. And then I try to grab it like this so that I have this effect, eyeliner effect. So now we're finished with liquids, product, and now we're getting to powders. I'm gonna just set my under eyes with this Charlotte Tilbury, but it's finished. This broke my heart. Literally, Charlotte, sponsor me please. I wanna be on your PR list. Let's manifest that for this year. But anyways, I'm gonna take the product that left, but this is literally one of the best powders ever. I would love to try the Huda Beauty one. So yeah, maybe I will buy the Huda Beauty after this Charlotte, but literally the Charlotte one also is phenomenal. Look at this. I'm in love. So now for bronzer, I use this NYX bronzer. It's really good. I just dab it like this, and then in my hands, because sometimes I get extra. I have a big brush, so I try to press like this so that I don't get the bronzer in the whole area of my face. And then I put the extra from my nose. I honestly don't do like a huge nose contour because I just don't know how. So I just do like this. I'm not a professional. So yeah, that's it. And then we are going with this beautiful palette from Grwm. You guys, look. Those colors, it's literally the best blush palette that I have and that exists. So thank you Grwm Cosmetics for creating this wonderful blush. And I'm just going under my cheeks. I used to hate the blush when I was in high school. I just didn't like it, but now I can go out with a blush, literally. So I just mixed the two shades, and I take more on this one than this one because this one is really pigmented. I dab it like this. You see how I apply my blush? Very mindful, very cute, very demure. Now we're going with mascara. I curl always my lashes before putting mascara. This is the secret for like long eyelashes and beautiful. This is the best mascara ever. I don't want to talk about it. Waterproof from Maybelline. You take the mascara, and you know when you apply your mascara, don't start with like the end of eyelashes. Start up this is the secret for like long look eyelashes. Even if you don't have like long eyelashes, don't start out there, because then they're gonna pull down and it's not pretty. It's not what we want. We want like full curled eyelashes. So look, very cute, very demure. Ta-da! Eyelashes done. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Like, who is she? I can't find my brush. That sucks. Anyways, I'm gonna take a highlighter with a little brush. I don't know what is the original one, but I just found this one now. And just put it the eye corner. Yay! It just brights up your eyes automatically, and it's very cute. And then the same highlighter for my nose. Now the last step and the most important one is lip liner. I have this Catrice lip liner. I stole it from my sister. Sorry, not sorry. And then we have this liquid lip liner from NYX also. I just took a little bit on my finger and I like tapping it like this. Oops. I'm very mindful, very demure. So then I just apply a gloss. Lip gloss is so important. Like you don't need to put lip liner or something, just lip gloss. When you put lip gloss, like even with no makeup, people think that you have full glam. Lip gloss distracts so much. Okay, you guys, my makeup is pretty much done. What do you think? So this is my everyday makeup look. Sometimes I don't apply mascara because it just takes so much time and I don't like the feeling. But yeah, beside that, that's the look for makeup. Let's go to the lighting. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and see you in the next video, inshallah. Bye.